So this video will be part 2 of the print on demand free course, which is on my channel within a playlist. It will be probably to your right, or there will be a link down below in the description box. If you haven't watched part 1, well, the first video of the course, I'm talking about how to find winning designs, viral designs, the methods that I use to do my research, and how you can go ahead and find winning designs that are selling super well right now, and that you can go ahead, get inspiration and copy and make your own designs from. Definitely go ahead and check the first video out if you haven't watched that already. But jumping into video number 2, this video will be a breakdown of the platform that we're going to use, which is Viralstyle, why we're using it, and some cool features that it has. So the reason why I like Viralstyle over T-Chip or Teespring or something like that is because Viralstyle don't have the same strict rules about designs. I often tried, if I even provide a referation or a design which referred to Star Wars or something like that, it would be removed from Teespring, where Viralstyle don't really care. Like, it's okay, they don't have the same strict rules about that, so you can easily sell maybe designs which are on the edge, which I of course wouldn't recommend to do, but if you want to do so, you can easily do it on Viralstyle. And I just like the platform itself. I like how it loads, the design of it, and everything. They have some different cool features if we're jumping into a product right here. And there will be a sign up link down below. It will be the first link in the description box. Boom, boom, boom. Go ahead and sign up through the link. I would appreciate that. But as you can see right here, we have the different, of course, products for the specific design. As you see, it's the same race car things. You have the colors, the price, which of course converts into your local currency. They have a countdown, which I'm going to explain about the campaigns, how it is, the description, and the product details. But if we're going ahead and let's see if we can jump back and sign up right here. Just get a temporary email. There we go. Temporary email. Markus Evers, public name. Yeah, sure, we can make that our URL. Or let's just make Markus the Crazy Designer. Boom, that's perfect. Well, the unique URL doesn't really mean anything. Of course, it will be at the top, but if you're running ads from mobile devices, from Facebook, which is what we're gonna do, they can't really see the URL. So, but anyway, there we go. I agree to terms, and then you press sign up. Boom, and then it should create us a new account. As you can see, I really like the logo, like the loading icon. I think it's super cool. But yes, this is the dashboard. Let me break it down for you all. So they just made this 3.0 of dashboard, and I think it looks phenomenal. I think they really did a great job with it. So basically, this is where you're going to see all of your sales as curves. This is your profits. So just to explain about that, the profits is the actual money that you can withdraw from your payouts here. So it only shows the money that is yours. So it won't show you the revenue. It has already extracted the cost of the product to Viralstyle, and it only shows you the profit that you get, then the amount of orders versus the units that you have sold, the visitors in a given time period, and the conversion rate. So the way I really like this, it just looks super clean. It's super great to use. Down here, you'll be able to see all of your campaigns. We're gonna make a campaign in a second, but basically you'll be able to see it here, filter everything out. You can do yesterday, last 7 days, 30 days, etc. And you'll be able to see a draft right here if you have like made some. Then you can create a campaign. We're gonna jump into that in a second. Well, basically right now you have already set up your Viralstyle account. Is really easy to do. So that's basically just how you go ahead and do it. You just create an account, boom, boom, and you're ready to create your first product. And then you'll get going on ads, your Facebook ads, which will be one of the following videos. And you'll be able to make designs in the matter of 5-10 minutes, and you have your ads up and running if you have made your design. In the following videos, we also will be talking about how you go ahead and find a designer, or how you go ahead and make the designs, the Facebook ads, and everything. So moving on, Right here will be the orders, so the orders that you have gotten. It will be a list of it, the amount of orders or products that they have ordered, etc. You can give coupons, you can make collections. There is an academy where you can learn a lot of different things about Viralstyle, how to use it, and get a lot of different info. They really do care about their sellers a lot. And yes, again, I am not sponsored by Viralstyle. I actually just really like the company and what they do. So, but moving on, they have the academy, then your payout. This will be where you get payout. You just need to set this up. It will be, it's like a W-9. I don't even actually not really know for sure what it is. Just basically a legal documents that they need to set up. Otherwise, you can hit their support and they will help you with it. Otherwise, it is super easy to set up. And then you just have your settings down here where you can basically set everything up. Your time zone and your country and your names and blah, blah, blah and everything. But yes, so basically this is the dashboard and this is where our sales will be popping in. But when you create a campaign, you want to press the create button right here, and then it will load. And as you can see, in a minute it will load a designer, and then you choose a product and a category. So if you choose accessories down here, then you'll be able to put the print on other accessories. Otherwise, if you choose like garment, like clothing, that will be the additional products that you can choose. So let me show you. I normally or always actually start off with just a short sleeve and a unisex cotton tee right here. Depending on if your design, your text or image is in black or white, I always just have the main image to be black or white t-shirt. So let me just show you. I'm just gonna find a design on my computer real quick, so give me a second. So I just found a design right here. It is loading at the moment, but basically you just press the upload image, you find your image, and then it will upload it onto the shirt right here, and you'll be able to move it around, resize it, and etc. So we're just gonna make the shirt black. This is actually quite an awesome design. One of my designers there, I really like it. But as you can see, this will basically be it. So kings are born in August, which we talked about in the first video, are some great designs to do. The birthday designs are actually giving away some amazing knowledge right here, just actually about a design that's working well for me. It's all about the knowledge. But yeah, then you can resize it, move it however you want to, and then that's basically how you get and do it. And then you can see the base cost of the specific product, which is 7.92 with this amount of print. And then you press the next. As you can see right here, this is how it will look, and then you can add some different colors. When you hover over the colors, you'll be able to see how that it looks. And this one over here, profit estimated, normally I'll just set it at 50. I don't really care about that because it won't stop selling after that. But that's just some scarcity that you can add after you've made your campaign. Well, yes, selling price, normally I start off with $19.99, or you can do $19.97 or something like that. I always start off with that, and then you can increase the price when the product starts to pick up, or you can actually also just do like $17.99. If you want to go a bit lower, it all depends on what you want to start off with, but it's always better to start low, start to generate sales inside of your Facebook ads, and then when you have generated some sales, and your pixel have generated data for those sales, you can start increasing the price and find that sweet spot. But yes, let's just put it at $19.99, and then you'll be able to add some different colors. And you could just add the different colors that you like. I always just go for the basic colors. And then of course, when it's for the males, kings are born in August, I like to go for more like male sort of colors, not to be sex discriminating again. I know we're in 2018 in a free world, and you can still like pink if you're a man, and you can like blue if you're a female. I don't say that, but it's just the conversion rate that will be higher when you choose that. So anyway, of course, orange could be a great color for men as well, but yes. But anyway, those are the colors. You can add 50 units, like 50 units, which includes variants of a product for the color. So let me show you what I mean by that. So you can add additional products, and I like to do that. So it will pop up like this. I always go ahead and add a hoodie. So the Gildan hoodie. And then you'll be able to go back right here, and you can add like a premium unisex tee. You can jump into V-necks and add the men's V-neck, and maybe like a crew neck sweatshirt. So you have these 4 additional products, then you will of course go ahead and add some other colors. Just gonna add some random ones, but you'll just add the colors that you want on your product, and then it'll add the same design to that one, and I'll show you how that looks in a second. So basically, this is the product. We've added our design, setting the price, and you can change the price of these as well if you want to, like put this at $19.99 as well, etc. But let's just move on, and then the title, we're gonna call that like Kings of August, for example. And then you can write a description. So I just like to write a pretty basic descriptions about this is the perfect tea or gift for like males born in August, blah blah blah. It will be the perfect gift for your husband or your boyfriend or something like that. And then I often have like a how to order, and you can find that on one of the other designs. So you just jump into Viralstyle and search around on some of the designs, you'll be able to find like someone who have written a guide how to order, or you can just make one yourself, like step 1, choose color, blah blah blah, right? And then you just write it down, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, like that. Category, you can put it into like gifts or something like that. I never really do this. That's just how it shows up inside of the marketplace. So that's also the thing. Viralstyle is a marketplace, a bit like Amazon, but of course not as big as Amazon. But yeah, I don't really put it into any category at all. And then you can put like birthday, August birthday, gift, like that. You can just put in what you want, and then you can select an email list. You can make an email list, so you will receive all of the emails from the buyers, from your customers. So yeah, basically like that. Then you say I have read and agree, blah blah blah. But yes, that's basically the description that you want to set up and customize for yourself, and then you just press the launch button. And this is what they call campaign. So it's not a product, it's a campaign. It's a campaign for a specific product, and as you can see, it will create the product for us right here. And then we'll be able to jump into it. So if we press this one, it will show us the actual product. So just to show you guys how it will look, as you can see, we have our unisex cotton tee, which it will preview in black at first. You can choose the specific color. It's rendering the other products right here, but otherwise the other products will pop up right here. I don't think it's ready yet, and then the descriptions down here. I like their sort of like guarantee buttons right here. So right here, I said that a lot of times. Anyway, Viralstyle is just basically a super great print on demand company, and they ship to the whole world. As you can see, printed in the United States. But let's jump back to the campaign so I can explain to you guys about that. The title here, descriptions. So this is the URL, and this is like a short URL which we're gonna use for our campaigns in Facebook. You can start it, you can extend the campaign. So this is the next relaunch. So the relaunch is basically this countdown timer, and it will automatically restart when it hits 0. So don't care about it. It's just to create some urgency on the store. You can give shipping discount so that people are more likely to buy, so that you'll just hit your own profits but give them discount on the shipping cost if you want to do that. And then you can just these button right here. So if you don't want the timer or the sales, you can jump back in and then reload the page, and then it will have edited all of the different options that you have here. Then you can press save. You can add upsells. So if you go ahead and create another product, now we can just choose this. So if they buy one of the products, like let's say they buy the unisex tee, we can add this product and we can change it. So I don't know, I think they're having a mistake, but anyway, normally then you'll be able to choose, for example, the hoodie. Oh yeah, can I like this? Yes. So we can choose the hoodie, never mind what I said. So you can choose the hoodie right here, and then you can give a discount of, for example, $10. So when they go ahead and add the product to cart, it will show, hey, do you want this hoodie as well, but you'll save $10 on it. So that works super well. That will increase your average order value and increase the ROAS. So that was basically a full breakdown of Viralstyle. There'll be a sign up link to Viralstyle in the description down below. Go ahead and use that when you sign up for Viralstyle, and then just get going, set it up, and be ready for the next video so you can follow along where we move on. The next videos that will come will be about Facebook ads, how to make designs, how to get a VA for it, and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something useful out of the video and the course so far, which is free. Give it a like if you did. Drop a comment down below your status with print on demand, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment about it below and show me some love for giving this course away free. Let me see all the love in the comment section down below. But yes, I hope you got something useful out of it. Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like, as I talked about before. And as always, I hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.